In this video, I'm going to show you a new utility which I stumbled upon just today to move resources from one CloudFormation template to another. It is called a cfn-teleport and its source code and other executables are available on GitHub. I will put the link to this repo in the video's description. In order to install it, all you need to do is to go to this GitHub page, and then from there you could go to this link which is also in the GitHub, and then download the exe or tar file or even the source code as per your operating system. For Windows one, I selected this one. There is also a GNU one, but I have found out that this MSVC one is compatible with most of the Windows versions. So once you download this exe, put it in your path, then it is accessible from whatever editor you are using. Once that's done, then you can simply run it in various ways. For example, if you look at their example, what they are doing is they are running the CFN teleport on the command prompt. Let me actually run this simulation for you. As you can see, they are just running CFN teleport, selecting source stack, then selecting the resource to copy, and then confirm the selection, and that's about it. It first removes the resources from your source stack and then imports or recreates them into your destination stack. Pretty nifty. So what I so this is how you can use it in interactive way, and you can also use it in the command way. Let me show you that way too. So this is the way which you can use it by simply using the exe of CFN teleport, mentioning source and target stacks, and then the resources. And if you see itself, all you need to do is to use these switches to control it. And if I could quickly show you this in action in VS Code, then that will be cool. So you can see this is my VS Code and I'm using PowerShell command prompt. I downloaded that exe, and then by using this exe, you can mention your source stack, target stack, and the resources. Once you enter it, it asks you that just confirm your selection, and once you press Y, it will remove these resources from your source and then recreate them in your destination stack. And if you press N, it won't do anything. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.